Good morning. I have a cherry on top unboxing today, and this was some of the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sales, and I believe some of these are still available in the shop. So I thought I would come on real quick and show you. Still wearing my coat. I'm inside for just a minute, and we're winterizing the chicken house. But I had a couple minutes while he had to do something else, so I wanted to share this. Whew. Not great to drop them on the floor, first things first. Okay, so if you have been watching videos, you know that I am crazy about this paper splatter from Picket Fence. So I got several more. Here is the liquid fire orange. It's beautiful. This one is the yellow sunshine. I really like how that looks. Not quite gold, but definitely a little more yellow. I got some of this Aqua Splash from Brutus Monroe in white. So we'll give that a try. It's a tiny little bottle, isn't it cute? These were not Cyber Monday deals. They were part of an order that I had held until I had free shipping. This is the purple tulip. And there's that color. Can you see how pretty that is? Oh, I love purple. I got some silver. I always love to add some silver on winter and Christmas layouts for some reason. I like gold too, but silver is pretty. And then this one is Hydrangea Blue. And it's looking like it's really, really deep shade of blue. We'll see when we get it out to try it how that works. This was a shaker bundle. I'm not sure if it's still in stock, but if it is, I mean, look how fun. That's cute in the tag. These are all Sizzix shaker domes. That one. Just great sizes. Some fun little different things. They can be used for cards. I just did all my Christmas cards, several using shakers. I thought this would be so cute for Easter. I love it. And then this one, I'm envisioning a shaker and then have some flowers that come out, some stems. Wouldn't that be pretty? Love that. And then this one is some squares. So makes shakers even easier and nice and sturdy. Not that I'm scared to do regular shakers, but and anytime I can get a little shaker pop from Doodlebug, like, is that adorable or what? Oh, so cute. Okay, this is two different kits. It is Stamperia Forest Bundle 1 and Forest Bundle 2. Whoops, I'm losing things. Let me get this tape off. Sorry. They protect their orders so well, and I appreciate that so much because nobody wants a bunch of bent paper, right? Sorry guys, it's taking me longer than I wanted it to. Let me know in the comments if you have partaken in any fun sales. I am not really a shopper to go out, so Cyber Monday and Black Friday, most of my shopping was done online. I just don't really like the crowds, so it works out perfect for me. So this one says it is bundle number 2, so this one must be bundle number 1. Open it up and at least let you see a little bit. There's so many die cuts in here. They're jumping out at me. They're nice chipboard die cuts. It's a very thin chipboard and they're gorgeous. Lots of leaves, pine cones. Love that. And then here are the papers. I love the animals and things. I have lake pictures that my grandsons, here you can see each of them. I'll try and get that a little bit closer. Lake pictures from when my grandsons visit their other grandparents. And I love this kind of thing. That's a beautiful wood grain. I actually like the B-sides probably more than the A-sides unless I'm fussy cutting. There was some rice paper in here. And then these are just like laser cut cutouts. Are these punch outs, I wonder? I thought these were punch outs, but maybe they are fussy cut. Let's see. I liked fussy cut, so it doesn't bother me either way. I can't remember if I read on there. Yep, they're laser cut. Yay! Beautiful. I mean, look at that. They're gorgeous. Love those. And there's so many in here. Gorgeous. Some stickers. Oh, no, those are rub-ons. Rub-ons. Love. Some more rice paper. Oh, and there's several different ones. 8 different ones in there. I'll show you those up close. And the last thing is ephemera. And these are paperweight also. All of the same animals and things. You can see there what all is included. If you want me to open up the paper packs or the die cut packs, let me know in the comments and I will come back on and do that. For right now, I'm just going to show you what's included in the bundles so you can see if they are still available if that interests you. So 2 of the decorative chips could be used for anything, and I really like those. I like to spray them with the Distress spray. That's a really, really pretty stencil. I mean, this would be gorgeous for Christmas layouts too. Beautiful. These are wooden shapes, little die cuts that are out of wood, but they're colored. Love that. Beautiful. Some rice paper. You can decoupage on. So really cute. Okay, that kind of looks like a snake skin in the background. I'm not sure I love that. But I do love the leaves, so we'll have to try that and see. The boys probably wouldn't mind a bit if there was snake skin, but ugh, I am not a fan of snakes. And here is the Forest Pack 2 22 single-sided. And 6 sheets are printed on, they call it grass paper. I always call that rice paper, but maybe it's more like a mulberry paper. That'll be fun to play with. Like to tear and things, so that always works out great, and it's so lightweight. This one's interesting, isn't it? I like this one kind of in the boxes. Another beautiful wood grain. Another one. Okay. I made it quick. I hope these are still available if you're interested. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will be back again probably, well, for sure tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.